So, Micro Tundra, we're at the flying field, ridiculously easy to put together. There was no point me giving you assembly tips, other than there is a former at the front of the cockpit that you do have to trim down. That's if you don't read the instructions, that's the one thing that you might not see that you have to do. And you have to do that for battery placement. And you have to cut it in a particular way because the wing recesses into that former. So look at the instructions for that and set up the throws and the CG and everything as per the book, and then you'll have absolutely no problems. So let's get it in the air, let's see how it flies. I'm waiting for a clear slot whenever that occurs. There you go. I tell you, the flaps are really effective. I've never seen flaps on something this small, Carl. It's ridiculous.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Crazy. But they do let it fly quite slowly. And you can chuck it around, just like the other Tundras. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. Thanks for Carl on camera.
Are you going up?
We'll be back for another one very soon. You might want to subscribe. If you do subscribe, you might want to click the bell icon as well so you get notifications of all future uploads. But thanks for watching. See you next time.